All right, Green Thumb Gardening family, just a quick update on the tricolor sweet corn that we're currently growing in our fall garden. Our corn, as you guys can see, is about 3 feet tall right now. We still have about another good month of warm weather here in our grow area before things begin to cool down. So our corn has plenty of time to grow a little taller, put on some tassels, and produce some corn for us here in our fall garden. This current variety that we're growing is called G90. It's a hybrid variety of sweet corn. And again, as you look across our field, now that we're finally getting some rain, our corn's looking pretty fantastic out here in our garden. Thanks for watching. And if indeed you do currently find yourself watching this video on the G90 tricolor sweet corn that we're currently growing in our fall garden here in Grow Zone 8B, and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, Green Thumb Gardening family, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, growing tricolor sweet corn in our fall garden. Thanks for watching.